Morning guys, how you all doing? Thank you for staying tuned on the Akosombo series. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. I know there are times that I do get Momo alerts and there's no name. The person don't want his name or her name appeared, but I may not know you, but God knows you. Okay, thank you so much. I'm supposed to leave Akosombo today, but I want to go to the island. Like, I want a case where I'll be done here completely and not have to be in a hurry to return here. So I want to go to Dodi Island, be able to find a way to get there. I hope to go there. So I just signed out of this hotel. I want to look for a cheaper one because I didn't plan to stay longer than today. So I want to look for something cheaper, a little bit cheaper than this. Then I'll move in, drop my bags, and then go to the island and come back. Yeah, this hotel is really nice, like a guest house, simple, very small. Me, I like my things simple. If you know me, you know that simplicity owns my heart. Let me just show you guys around a little bit how it looks like. What I really love about this hotel is the fact that it is located in a very quiet area. They do not have many rooms here. No noise at all, and the simplicity of it's just so simple. This is how I like my life. I love my life simple. Yeah, that's my bag. It's not up to 12 o'clock, but I want to sign out already so that I can get going. Simple, green, quiet. And there's the forest behind it. I just love it. So quiet, simple, and it's new. I don't know if it's new, but it's really clean, and that is why I picked it in the first place. So yeah, let me just chill here a little bit and then go in the next few minutes. Yeah. So that's the guest house I was putting in. I hope this phone don't drop. Oh my god. So that is how the view through my window is. So let me give you guys my room tour, my new room tour. First, let's start like this. My bags, and it has the standing mirror here. Socket, the switch, or what is this called? Switch. Look at how the bed is. So cute. It looks like a room at home. It looks like kids' room, right? So pretty. Look at it. This is how the bed is. It has 2 pillows and a blanket. Socket. This is the water heater. This is, or what is this? Air conditioner? Maybe. This is the fan. This is the light, and then I plug my phone here and light down here. Oh my god, this is nice. The fan, the pretty lights, and really cute. And so this is the TV, television area, fridge. This is a study table. You want to work, you place your laptop there and work. You sit on it, on this. So just in case you have a visitor, they can sit on the chair. There are even 2 chairs. I think this hotel is way too nice. I just didn't know that early enough. That's what it looks like. They have this cute mirror here, the sink, bucket, and the toilet seat, which is really clean. The tissue here. You will not believe how much I paid for this hotel. 100 cedi per night. This is really cheap. The other one, I did a room tour, but the video, I had issues with my phone, so I deleted the video. So I would have compared the two, but this one is pretty good. Okay, it's a good deal. It's hot right now because I climbed the stairs. Look at where, let me show you guys if you can see. When you stand in the balcony of my hotel, this is what you see. The weather here is so good. You can see the dews like it's summertime. I think I have cheated myself. I should have come to this hotel the very day I came to this town. but it's okay, all good. The one day I'm going to stay here, I will make it worth it. That I should have spent on this. I have cheated myself, I swear. This hotel is to die for, die. Just for 100 cities. That is fair. This is a good deal. Good deal. It's time to go find a way to get to do the island so that I can bring you guys contents from there. I hope that it succeeds. If I do, cool. If I don't, cool. But for the meantime, watch how beautiful this town is. This town is really organized. It's so properly planned. Everything is just so green. Every corner of the town is greenish and just yummy, like looking. I didn't ask for the part where rich people stays. You know, there is always that in the world, in every part of the world, every part of the world you go to, there is always a place where the very rich and mighty lives in, and there are places where the middle class people lives in. So I'm just wondering how those places will look like if, if I get there. But for now, just enjoy the view, the ride with me as we make our way to Dodi Island. This is the restaurant I told you guys about, the bridge video that I ate here. So I'm going back there again to eat for today. I hope the food is ready because I had a long day. I will explain to you later.
Солнце, что на Черном море босиком, я гуляю один, сегодня один. Корабли вдали мерцают, горизонт их растворяет в себе. Это мой день, мой беззаботный день. Солнце, что на Черном море босиком, я гуляю один, сегодня один. Корабли вдали мерцают, горизонт их растворяет в себе. Это мой день, мой беззаботный день.
I have been hunting for where to ride a boat to Dodi Island with no success.
Зима дошла, больше нет снега. Я тебя жду, о, весна, птицы поют, душа расцветает. штор на Черном море босиком я гуляю один, сегодня один. Корабли вдали мерцают, горизонт их растворяет в себе. Это мой день, мой беззаботный день.
Okay, so I've seen one Kedo guy. I'm calling on him to come. Can you see him? So that I'll see how he can take me around. I want to see. I want to tour the Volta River. That's the guy there coming. This view is just incredible. So guys, there will be no video from Dodi Island as I could not make it to the island. It hurts, but no problem. There's always another time. So thank you all for staying tuned, and don't go nowhere, okay? If you have not subscribed, kindly do so, because I'll be traveling to another part of Ghana really soon, and that will be a surprise because I'm not going to disclose where I'm going until I'm there. I see you all, okay? Don't worry, I will definitely come to your town. But for now, is a goodbye from Akosombo, as this is my last video from here. Thank you. Stay tuned. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.